Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is U. U is for umbrella. An umbrella is a special tool used to keep you dry when it rains. Did you know? Umbrellas come in many colors and sometimes even have fun patterns or designs. U is for unicycle. A unicycle is a cool one-wheeled bicycle that shows off amazing balance skills. Did you know? Unicycles are often used by circus performers and in fun parades. U is for umpire. An umpire is a helper in sports who makes sure everyone follows the rules, like in baseball. Did you know? Umpires wear special hats and sometimes use a whistle to keep the game fair. U is for upside down. When you're upside down, everything looks reversed, like hanging from a swing. Did you know? Some acrobats and gymnasts do flips where they spend a little time upside down. What is your favorite U word? Let's practice tracing the uppercase letter U. First, place your finger on the number 1 at the top left of your paper and draw a smooth, curved line downward. Imagine you're drawing a big smiley face opening upward. Continue your line so it curves around and comes up on the right side. Try to keep the curve even and smooth. You did it!
Hooray!
You can pause the video and do it again and again. Parents use this guide to help your child write the uppercase U with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.